2025 Forest River Grey Wolf 20 RDSE. Let's check it out. Solid steps, outdoor speakers, TV mount, electrical, power awning, back rack, weight capacity 200 pounds. Tandem axle, outdoor shower, black tank flush, on-demand hot water. Let's go inside. Great couples trailer, walk around front bed, lots of storage. Push button lighting. Inverter for CPAP machines. Curtain close off. Nice kitchen area. Lots of storage. Three burner cooktop. Propane. Air fryer, microwave, convection oven combo. Mount for your TV. Lots of windows. Horseshoe dinette. Molly's giving me a hand here. Fridges, they've gone with the dual opening, one side and the other. And freezer drawer. Power disconnect. And the washroom, full vanity. Shower with a skylight for tall people. And this is the all new 2025 Forest River Grey Wolf 20 RDSE. Pierson Motors, come check us out.